Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share a very special unboxing with you. My brand new Burberry bag, which I actually gifted myself for my birthday. Just look how elegant the packaging is. Burberry never disappoints with presentation. Let's jump right into the unboxing. Since I live in Newfoundland, Canada, where we don't have many high-end luxury stores, so I ordered this bag directly from Burberry's official online store, and it took around 5 to 6 days to arrive. My first choice actually was Gucci's Ophidia Tote, which I tried to order online, but unfortunately the order got cancelled. I don't know why, but when I called the customer service, they recommended purchasing it in store. Maybe I'll try again if I visit Toronto or another city with a Gucci boutique. I was specifically looking for a stylish work bag that could hold my 16-inch MacBook and still fit within my budget of around 3,000 Canadian dollars, including taxes. That's when I discovered this Burberry Medium Freya Tote. This bag is about 15.8 inches wide, which can easily fit my 16-inch laptop. That's around 14 inches wide. The price was approximately 2,400 to 2,500 Canadian dollars, and with taxes, it came to be about 2,800 to 2,900 Canadian dollars. The Freya Tot is both elegant and practical. You can carry it like two ways, by the rolled leather top handles or as a crossbody using the adjustable and detachable strap. The interior is also like super spacious. I can easily fit my laptop, accessories, and other daily essentials. It also has a side pocket with a magnetic closure. It's perfect for keeping your keys or ID card. And I love the luggage tag with the embossed Burberry logo. You can also personalize it with your initials. The only downside is that it's an open top bag, so it lacks a zipper for security. But since I'll mostly be using it for work and commuting by car, that's not a big concern for me. Overall, I absolutely love this bag. It's functional, stylish, and perfect for work. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.